how to appear offline on Instagram. Well, that's exactly what I'm going to show you in this video. But before that, please make sure you're subscribed to the channel for future tutorials like this. And with that being said, let's begin with the video. So first things first, you have to make sure that your Instagram account is a personal account, because you will not be able to hide your activity status if you have a business account. Now that I said that, I'll show you how to do it. So all you have to do is go to your profile, which you can go to by clicking on the profile picture of yours, which is available in the bottom right corner. Once you're here, all you have to do is click on the three bars that are on the top right corner. Once you click on that, you can go to settings, and in settings there is this tab called privacy. Since this is privacy that is being concerned, so all you have to do is go to privacy, and over here after guides you can see there is this tab which is called activity status. Click on it, and over here you can see there are two options: show activity status, show when you're active together. You can basically stop showing your activity status by unchecking this option, and people who messaged you or are DMing you will not be able to know when you were last online on Instagram. Now since I've unchecked this, all the things have been done, and that's it. You will now be appearing to be offline even though you'll be using Instagram. It's quite neat in my opinion. I hope this video helped you guys. If it did, please make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and comment down below on what next video we should make. And with that being said, thank you for watching. Bye bye.